Counting on fans think Josh Duggar's wife Anna looked pissed as they left court on the second day of his CP trial. Anna had rushed out of the courtroom earlier on Wednesday to avoid seeing disturbing graphic images and videos being shown to the jury. And fans believe the mother of 7 looked tense and strained as she left court with Josh later that day. Anna, who recently welcomed their 7th child, held hands with Josh as they strode past cameras, with both of them wearing face masks. One user wrote on Reddit, "Anna looks seriously pissed. After everything she heard, she's probably looking for a way out, and I don't blame her." Another agreed, "Geez, they look tense." Josh's eyes kept darting to the cameras and away. Anna's just realized there's no way Josh is going to win this thing, and she's going to be a single mom to 7 kids. Poor woman, a third user speculated. Josh's trial is taking place in Fayetteville, Arkansas for charges stemming from his April 2021 arrest. The former Counting On star faces up to 20 years in prison if found guilty. Anna left early on Wednesday, right after hearing the prosecution's graphic statement about the allegations against Josh. The mother of 7 rushed out just before the jury was forced to look at some of the graphic CP videos and images. Before hurrying out, Anna and Josh had walked into the courtroom together, hugging when they had to part ways. She sat in the first row while he made his way to the front. When a court clerk had asked how she was doing, she simply responded good, while her husband was in good spirits, laughing and joking around with the clerk. Anna's mood quickly changed after hearing the disturbing statements that started off the last day of the trial, and she made sure to leave before the explicit footage could be shown. Detective Calmer explained to the court that on May 14, 2019, she made a connection with an IP address in Springdale, Arkansas that was downloading child sexual abuse materials. She explained that her computer made contact with the same address on May 15th. Detective Calmer was also able to view files downloaded on May 16th, although the download was incomplete. As the detective continued to testify, she detailed the video file that was downloaded before showing some of that video on screen to the court, according to a Sun reporter at the trial. "Unfortunately, due to some legal and moral reasons, we cannot put these details in this video." The video and images shown to the courtroom on Wednesday made the jurors look uncomfortable, according to a Sun reporter at the scene. Josh has pleaded not guilty to 2 CP counts. He was arrested in April on CP charges in what was said to be the worst of the worst that authorities had ever seen. Homeland Security Special Agent Gerald Faulkner said in May that downloads made from a specific file were in the top 5 of the worst that he has ever had to examine. Amid all of the chaos, his wife Anna welcomed their 7th child, a daughter they named Madison. He has unlimited access to his children with Anna present.
That's it for now, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to stay tuned.